This webinar is something which we are going to talk about are, the options which are remaining at this moment. हमको अपना जो डेस्टिनेशन है उसको सही तरीके से देखना पड़ेगा, सही तरीके से उसकी तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी, and we will have to ensure that we take the right steps right from the beginning. What is Moksha? Moksha has three departments which are distinctly reputed and famous in India for three type of services. One is advisory service. हम लोग आपको एडवाइस देते हैं, हम आपको गाइड करते हैं, आपकी करियर का प्लानिंग करते हैं, उसको एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं. Moksha Academy is something which is, online coaching system where we create. There are hundreds of students who are becoming doctors. They are preparing for license examination on our system. Okay, online education, and there are 8 countries wherein the students are situated, and there are 4 countries where the faculties are situated. They teach these students in various countries. कोई student Russia गया है, Ukraine गया है, China गया है, Iraq गया है. So, and faculties India में है, US में है, Canada में है, Caribbean में है. So these faculties are able to teach the students online with live classes. So it's a beautiful software. Today we are going to give you demonstration of that, how you can become a better doctor, how you can pass your license examination for India, for US, for Germany, and all those things. How Moksh makes doctors, eligible for the PG examinations, how we plan your career and make sure that you become a doctor right up to PG. आज की तारीख में ये जो सेशन है वो बहुत ही छोटा सा शॉर्ट सेशन है, हम लोग ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लेंगे. Most of the students, I believe, are repeaters over here. They have decided to take a repeat for 2021, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and I had like to understand whether how many of you are repeaters. Can you come back to me on the question bank? And exactly, so we will talk about NEET 2021 now. Okay, that is one aspect that we are going to. So what are the aspects that we are going to talk about? These are the 4 things that we will talk about. One is how to crack NEET 2021. दूसरा, ये MBBS अब्रॉड का अभी भी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, विंटर बैच का. आप कैसे अपना साल बचा सकते हो, अपना एकेडमिक्स ईयर. आप मेडिसिन बहुत लंबा कोर्स है, तो जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी से अंदर जाना चाहिए. कंपटीशन को सही तरीके से समझना चाहिए. 16 लाख स्टूडेंट अगर 2020 में थे, तो 21 में पूरा स्पिल ओवर होके 20 लाख स्टूडेंट्स आने वाले हैं. कंपटीशन बढ़ने वाली है, नंबर ऑफ सीट्स वही उतनी ही रहने वाली है. ठीक है ना. करीब करीब 35,000 सीट्स गवर्नमेंट की है, जिसके लिए 20 लाख स्टूडेंट्स अपीयर होंगे. मतलब इट्स गोइंग टू बी हैवॉक इन 2021. देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड अ कॉम्बो मेडिकल प्रोग्राम. आप आधा प्रोग्राम इंडिया में कर सकते हो, आधा प्रोग्राम अब्रॉड में कर सकते हो. ये भी प्रोग्राम्स अवेलेबल हैं, हम आपको समझाएंगे उसके बारे में. और फाइनली, मैंने जैसे बताया आपको, मेडिकल लाइसेंस एग्जामिनेशन, हाउ डू यू पास दिस एग्जाम, हाउ डू यू एंश्योर दैट यू आर अ लाइसेंस फिजिशियन. It's not just a question of becoming a doctor. It's also important to have the license to ensure that you are able to practice. License is for practicing. ठीक है ना. These are the key factors that you will have to understand in the next. It's already December is almost coming up, and you have May as your target. So you have December, Jan, Feb, March, and April. Exactly, 150 days for next NEET examination. How do you crack that? I'm going to showcase to you something which you probably would love to understand. If such a system exists, then you would love to be on that system. Already एक बार आप पढ़ चुके हो. These are the options. There are 3 options that you have got. You can repeat and crack NEET 2021. We will talk about all 3 options today. Second option is, there is something called a combo medical program, half in India, half abroad. And third option is MBBS abroad winter batch. So a lot of students have understood that if there are 18 to 20 lakh students, it's very difficult to get score 618 and 620 kind of a score, which was the all India quota cutoff. Next year it's going to be even tougher. If you are currently at somewhere around 300, it's not going to be easy. For in 150 days you cannot double up your score. So it's better to have your options open while you are preparing for the NEET. And that's how this concept of planning your career comes into the picture. Otherwise, you'll be wasting a lot of time. I hope you are slowly able to understand. Okay. So let's understand first, how do you prepare for NEET? So, guys, this is the most important thing. We have a MOOCs test platform. Okay. Now, how does a test platform help you? This is absolutely free of cost to the students, so don't nothing to worry about the money part. This platform majorly assesses you. Okay, it just assesses your current strengths and weaknesses. Today, Mr. Chirag is going to showcase to you how it works, and it works like a mirror. It will show you exactly where you have reached. It is not a coaching for the students. It will help you to plan your study well. Most of the students are finding it difficult to plan. You don't know what I should be doing in the next 150 days. You are pressured because you have to reach 620 plus this year. You have a peer pressure because you know few of your friends have got into medicine, they paid money and got into private. You don't have that kind of a money to get into private colleges. You have no choice but to crack it. But then there are options which you will have to consider if you are not going to reach this stage. So guys, we need to know, through the platform we will tell you what are your weaknesses, what are the things that you should be studying. So how does the platform works for NEET? Let me explain you. First, we take the subject-wise test. Okay, physics, chemistry, bio, botany, zoo. We will take subject-wise test. We will identify the weaknesses in you. It's a continuous process. The software does this on its own. We are going to showcase to you how we are helping all the doctors across the world in 8 countries. Similarly, we will use the same platform for PCB. Okay, how the weaknesses in you are identified. For example, in physics, you're finding a problem in optics, your that test is going to go bad. The computer will, so it's a individual learning platform. Automatically it will give you an assignment based on that. It will create a study planner based on your weaknesses. Till you remove the weaknesses, there is something called a smart removal that the software does, and automatically your scores are improved. Again, you give a test, and this cycle, if you keep on doing it on the platform, we are going to showcase to you the today's the demonstration, how we are teaching the students, how we are improving the marks, how we are making sure. कोचिंग बहुत हो गया, लेक्चरबाजी बहुत हो गई, सब्जेक्ट्स पूरे पढ़ लिए, रिपीटर्स ने सब कुछ कर लिया, प्रेशर पूरा 2021 का है, 5 महीना है सिर्फ. अब फोकस होना चाहिए मेरे वीकनेसेस के ऊपर. अगर मैं इसको रिमूव कर सकता हूं तो मेरा मार्क्स एनहांस हो सकता है. अदरवाइज इतना पढ़ाई करना है, बाकी इतना प्रैक्टिस करना है, 150 days is not going to be enough. करेक्ट है guys? Am I making sense to all of you? So basically, the software which we will provide you is going to actually remove your weaknesses. We will only focus on your weaknesses and enhance your scores. Mr. Chirag is going to come in another 5 minutes, and he will showcase to 5 to 10 minutes, and he'll showcase to you how we will help you crack NEET 2021. Okay. So as we saw, there are basically 3 options. I wanted to showcase to you that why there is going to be a huge 16 lakh students were there in 2019. All India quota closed at NEET score of 618. In 2020, there are huge spillovers. Expected number of registrations for the NEET exam is going to be somewhere around 19 to 20 lakhs. Expected cutoff is going to rise because the number of students are going to be much more. Competition is going to be very high. So in these circumstances, we have no choice but to have our options open. We have to have our mind clear. We have to have plan our career in a proper shape. We can't keep on repeating NEET. Once it's okay, we can't do it again. Even one is too much. We try our best to improvise. Doesn't happen, we have to go for the other options. So guys, if at all you feel that you are not getting into somewhere around 620 plus, in 2021, there is a winter batch in MBBS in abroad. These costs are not going to be more than 20 lakhs. You can actually become a doctor. This also to be paid in 5 to 6 years. It's very cheap. They are all MCI, NMC approved. You can do right up to post graduation in US. You can go to government universities which are 100 plus years of experience, ranked university worldwide. Such universities are available. You just need to have a neat qualified result for 2020. That's enough. I hope you have understood. Many of you must have got such SMSs before, but there is something which you will need to understand, that it's time you take the right decisions. You have an option in winter, that's in January 2021, in case you do not want to repeat. In case you want to repeat, we will help you crack the NEET by removing the weaknesses. And in case you want to go for a combo program in which you spend half the program in India and half the program in the Philippines, that's also possible. Any other thing that you have in your mind? Apart from this point, does this thing make sense? You can give a repeat, you can stay back in India and still continue with MBBS, or you can go abroad. Apart from this, can you think of any other option that you feel should be there? These are good enough options for you. Guys, you can actually make sure that you are in Ukraine, okay, in January 2021. There are few universities which are having a winter batch. Now, let me tell you how you can build your career. You are in 12th, either you are the first timer or you are a repeater. You either can study in India or you can study in abroad, correct? These are the two options that you have got. Whether you study in India or whether you study in abroad, remember MBBS degree is not enough. You need to have a license. How do you get a license to practice? Because degree is just a academic achievement that does not allow you to practice in hospitals. You need a license to practice in hospital. I hope everybody knows there is a difference between degree and a license. Had I been an engineer, I would not need a license. But being a doctor, I need a license because I'm going to work with the patients, humans. I can't just simply touch them, diagnose them, wrongly do anything that's going to be dangerous. That's why you need a license. Now, when you need a license, there are examinations that you need to give, such as in India, there is an examination called National Exit Test. How many of you know about NEXT? Can you please tell me? Have you heard about NEXT? Sasikar says no, Pritam Raj says no, Sakshi says no, Siddharth says no. Saurav knows about it. So 90% of the students do not know how to become a doctor and get the license. In order to become a doctor, you have to pass one examination after you get the MBBS degree. If you do your research well, you are going to know exactly NMC bill for doctors, how our Rajya Sabha, the parliament, passed this passed the bill to ensure that every student who is becoming a doctor in India, they have to appear for an examination, whether you have become a doctor from government college, private college, or even abroad college. It doesn't matter. Every student will have no choice but to pass one examination called National Exit Test. That is the new bill passed by them. Here it is. National Medical Commission bill passes Rajya Sabha test. Healthcare on the verge of landmark changes. The whole thing is changed from 2019. Every doctor need to pass one examination. Can you believe it? Otherwise, that degree is not valid in India. Even if you are becoming a doctor from AIMS, you still need to give a key provision of Bill AIMS, bringing uniformity in medical education. There is a final year MBBS examination. So, like you have need to enter, you have next to exit, national exit test. If you come in merit, you get into PG, post graduation, admission to PG course. And if you qualify, you get a practice license. If you don't qualify, you neither get the PG seat nor you get the license. That means you stay at home, घर पे बैठो, वापस exam दो. You need to give that examination again so that you can try. If you come in merit in next, you get a PG seat. PG means MD or MS seat. Every doctor wants to practice in a hospital, they will need a license. They have to qualify in next. Even if you are from India, whether you are from a foreign medical college, everybody will sit together for a common final year MBBS examination. And that's called next. It is very similar to US MLE in US. Of course, USMLE is a far more different type of examination, but conceptually it's the same thing. Correct, Pratmesh. Now NEET PG has changed, and now entrance for test for PG has changed to next. I hope you. It's a very simple thing. It's a newspaper cutting of 2019 on the digital front. July 2019, the new rule had come. It was published in August 2019. Just almost a year, 1 year back, the new rules have come. So, guys, all I'm trying to tell you is you need to do your research to plan your career very well, unless you are preparing for the examination during your MBBS, whether you are studying in India or abroad, it doesn't matter. अगर आप तैयारी नहीं कर रहे हो इस एग्जाम की, तो आप कभी भी पीजी तक नहीं जा सकते, आप लाइसेंस एग्जाम पास नहीं कर सकते. You won't have a license, you can't work in a hospital. So if you want to go to US, you need to pass USMLE. If you want to do in India, you need to pass next. If you want Germany, then FSP. It's the same system across the world. It doesn't matter whether you have paid 70 lakhs to get a private college, you still have to pass the next examination. I hope you are getting a clarity in your career planning. We can make you reach you right up to this. Moksh is an expert counselor to ensure that every student from 12th gets into India or abroad, clears the license exam, and match with the post graduation processes. Am I making sense and am I clear to everybody? Guys, come on the question bank and tell me, are things getting clearer to you? To prepare for two things, NEET and next, or USMLE for US, correct? Now, you must understand that we are not good in NEET. We are only going to guide you to identify your weaknesses. That's what we can do. We can help you remove it by understanding how your how the software itself will tell you. But we can't coach you for NEET. We can't help you there. We can ensure that we can point out the problems in you. Okay. Now we can actually do the coaching for the next NUSMLE. So we push you to the MBBS program, whether it's in India or abroad. We ensure that you become a doctor. We ensure that you are preparing for the PG, and then get successfully into the PG. This is the plan that we have at Moksha. We have more than 3,000 doctors in this plan currently. Aman, yes, that's you're right. First, we should think about NEET and then think about next. But this is not about thinking. This is about planning. अगर मुझे यहाँ से, if I want to reach Delhi, I'll have to plan through the journey. I cannot just reach halfway. Let's say I dropped at Barodara and I'll say that now I will go and try the tickets. If I don't get, I'll stay back here. It doesn't work like that. You have to plan right up to your destination. Your goal is PG. Who wants to become just an MBBS? I don't think there will be even a single student who wants to become only MBBS. So Kundan Kumar, if you have already completed your BSc, this combo program is for you. You can go for only 3.8 years, you can become MBBS in Philippines. Only requirement is you have to clear NMAT examination, and we provide coaching for NMAT examination. We are the only one in India, the authorized exclusive coaching partner for NMAT exam in India. If you If there are many students who are pushed to Philippines by hiding that, this NMAT exam is very easy, just go there, these and that. We tell students, don't ever go to Philippines for BS program. We tell them, you do your BSc in India and prepare for NMAT during your BSc. We will make sure that you pass in NMAT during your BSc. You save all the money and time here. You ensure that you have passed NMAT, and then only we will get qualified into MBBS program. Again, next, and USMLE. I hope you have got a very clear picture now. Of course, Prakshi, we will guide you. We have a counseling session. We can tell you which college, kitna marks chahiye, kya, exactly what are the cutoffs and all those things in India, in abroad. Of course, we can help you plan to remove. Amar, we can start off immediately. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to showcase to you how students are removing their weaknesses and enhancing their entire, scores. Kumkum, the syllabus for next is very simple. All 19 subjects of MBBS, they are the syllabus of next or USMLE. Okay. Saurav Sinha, if you have completed, then cost of studying. I'll tell you, cost of studying is hardly, around 12 lakh rupees. You can complete your entire MBBS in Philippines if you have already done BSc in India, or BSc biotech, or bachelor's program for biotech, etc. We have to check your credits. If everything is done, then you don't need to worry. Directly you can get into medicine, and you can do it, finish it in 3.8 years, provided you have cleared your NMAT. In this session, what you should ideally do is you should prepare for NMAT. The first part of NMAT is NEET subjects: physics, chemistry, bio, same topic, but that's 35%. Then you have another 35%, and then you have last 30%. So there are three portions embedded into NMAT. I will showcase to you today. Mr. Chirag will showcase to you and explain you about the curriculum of NMAT. Kundan, it's not very difficult, but you need coaching. That's it. Okay, let me put it in Philippines. For those who are very keen for Philippines, let me explain them. Let us try to understand MBBS in Indian government website, Indian Embassy in Philippines. What do they advise? How students are being cheated in India, and what you should do actually. Embassy of India, it's a government website. What do they say? They say, beware about these agents. Educational agents are the one who are cheating the people. Do I rely? We ask them, do I rely on these education agents? What are they saying? The agents are the main culprit. That's the main problem. Most of the complaints are about mismatch between what has been promised in India, what you actually get in Philippines. There is no connection. They will give you false promises. They will, you know, you will get stuck over there. They will give you inaccurate picture of the medical system in Philippines. The real system is something different. We asked them, can I be admitted to the medical course after 12th? They said no. You have to finish your BS course, then pass NMAT examination. Only once you finish BS course. So instead of going there and finishing BS course, which is an expensive affair, you only simply pass bachelor's program in India or BSc biotech in India. Appear for NMAT. We will ensure that you pass NMAT. Then only you are getting a MBBS direct admission. Otherwise, you will get stuck. You will spend a lot of money. You will do nothing. If in case you really want to become successful in Philippines, it's a very easy program. 800 students go for BS. Only 200 seats are actually being filled by the MBBS people. Rest of the 600 people come back to India because they could not pass NMAT. There is no point in spending money and going for a BS program in Philippines. What you should do is, while doing BSc in India, ensure that you are clearing NMAT. We will teach you. It's a competitive examination. You have to pass through. Agents will say, "Arey, jao, jao, jao." It's very easy, especially in Tamil Nadu and Pune and all those locations. You have to be very careful exactly what you want to do for this competitive. It's an entrance examination, remember. I can see a lot of students asking questions in Hindi, but that's the problem. Guys, बेसिक चीजें समझ ली हमने। कॉम्बो ऑफर मतलब पहला बीएससी का पार्ट इंडिया में करो, 3 साल का बीएससी है, और उसके बाद में 3.8 ईयर्स का एमबीबीएस है फिलीपींस में। ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज अ कॉम्बो ऑप्शन। आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू ऑल थ्री, हाउ टू एनहांस नीट स्कोर इन 2021. We are going to give you a demo of the weakness removal. I have explained you the combo program of BSc in India and MBBS in Philippines. It's a very, very cheap and economical program. You can actually start it off very quickly by enrolling for the NMAT examination coaching. And the third program is MBBS abroad, wherein you need to register quickly for the Jan batch.